So hello everyone, and yeah, today's challenge is this, the planets. So let's get okay, let's put this here. And okay, to start off, background, this color. Of course, we forgot the selector. Okay, the background. Then make this box. Okay, let's name this first. Name the class as the circle C1 to be exact. Let's start with the top most left corner. So this one, the top left circle. So this is now C1. So it has a size, it has width, and it has height, and a color of like something red orange. What's this color, by the way? Then so what we need to do is to adjust the size. Maybe half, cut this half and this. Then make this circular. So put border radius 50%. Of course, it is much more smaller than the original. Okay, now let's modify the position. Let's control the position. Absolute, margin, auto. Wait, that's different color. Okay, this is colon, not semicolon. Then put all set all sides to 0, right 0. So put this on the center by default. Then from here, from the center, let's adjust. So drag this to the top. 100 pixel, 200 pixel. Okay, too far, a bit far. So maybe 180, 150, 160. Yes. Okay. Maybe. Then drag this to the left. So negative value also. Negative 100, 200. Okay, but enough. 240, 260. Okay, seems good to me, the position. Then let's change the color to this one. And to finish this off, let's put this horizontal line in the middle of this circle. So after the C1, so copy H1. So this is horizontal one. So this is C1, circle 1, and horizontal 1. Okay, we can just copy this style here and name this H1. This is not circle, so let's remove the border radius. And the color is the color of the background, so let's change this sky blue to this darker shade of the sky, darker shade of the light shade. Does that make sense? It doesn't, right? So now let's reduce the height, obviously, like so. Okay, it's more bigger. That, you see that? Yeah, it's moving a little, but a little, so that's okay. So we are satisfied with this one circle here. Now we have 3 left. So just copy these 2 pairs. One pair. Okay. This is C2 and this is H2. Copy this first pair for the second pair, C2 and H2. Now let's just adjust the position. First is the horizontal, so that it would line up something like this from here to here. So let's keep the top, let's keep the vertical position for now. Let's modify, let's change the horizontal. So invert this and also this horizontal line. Okay, that's really easy, you know. And copy this 4 here, this first 2 pairs, paste and rename C3, H3 and C4. Basically this is for the bottom part, 2 circles here. So also copy this, their styles, paste here, and from here, right, this is the duplicate, this is the yeah, this is the duplicate, so we need to rename this so that it would coincide with the naming here, the top 33H44. So from here, we all know that we have duplicates here. They're just hiding behind these first 2 pairs. I mean the last 2 pairs is hiding behind these first 2 pairs. Okay, to make that sense, let's now modify or change the vertical position, or the position here. So from top, let's move them to the bottom. So in order to do that, just invert this value here, okay, along with the line. So first is the circle, second is the line. So let's submit this quickly. This is a potato with egg. I just cook this in the rice cooker with no oil or whatsoever, just plain salt and water. The procedure, if you want to ask, just boil the water, then of course let's assume that you already cut the potato that is ready to, like this, small, in the small size, it is already prepared. So after the water is boiling, you just put the potato, then when the potato is soft, you can feel it, it is soft, yeah, humok. You can drain the water, the excess water, just keep a small amount of water so that the rice cooker would stay, you can still press the leverage of the button light in the rice cooker, because you know, the trigger of the button for the rice cooker is the moist, or the water. If it has no water, it would cook like forever. It would cook, it would stay cooked. You can't press down the button. But if it has a water, you can press down. So yeah, water is important. So yeah, after the small amount of water, you bring back the potatoes and yeah, put the egg and mix. That's it. So yes.